As technology continues to progress, 3D printers have become increasingly accessible and cost-effective, appealing to hobbyists, professionals, and businesses alike. To make your 3D printing work, you'll need 4 critical components. Number 1. A good 3D printer capable of crafting objects of reasonable size with efficient speed. Number 2. A sturdy and precisely calibrated print bed is crucial for ensuring a stable foundation. Number 3. A dependable extruder to efficiently melt the filaments for seamless printing. And number 4. 3D modeling slicer software, a crucial tool that translates your designs into printable instructions. Typically, all 4 components come bundled with the printer from the manufacturer. Given the abundance of makes and models of 3D printers in the market, selecting the right one can be challenging. To assist you in this decision-making process, we've compiled a list of the top 7 3D printers for entry-level users within the price range of $300, outlining their key features, and provided essential considerations to guide you toward the most suitable choice. Number 7. The Anycubic Kobra 2. The Anycubic Kobra 2 is an ideal choice for beginners entering the 3D printing realm. With a print speed of 250 mm per second and a printing acceleration of 3,000 mm, it ensures efficient printing without sacrificing quality. Capable to reach up to 260 degrees Celsius temperature, its versatile 0.4 mm volcano-style direct drive extruder can handle various filaments, enabling experimentation. One of the standout features of the Kobra 2 is its build volume, measuring 220 by 220 by 250 mm. This size allows users to bring their creative visions to life with larger prints. The inclusion of Anycubic Slicer as the default slicing software streamlines the printing process. Additionally, features like the filament runout sensor and resume printing function offer added convenience and peace of mind during longer print jobs. The 4.3-inch touchscreen interface ensures user-friendly navigation. Bed leveling is effortless with its flexible build plate and LeviQ 2.0 auto bed leveling system. Despite its budget-friendly price of $279, the Kobra 2 maintains high quality and functionality, making it an excellent entry-level option. Number 6. The Creality Ender 3V3SE. The Creality Ender 3V3SE emerges as a compelling option for entry-level 3D printing enthusiasts seeking affordability without compromising on quality. Its auto-filament loading sets the stage for hassle-free printing sessions, ensures a smooth workflow from start to finish. One of its standout features is the CR Touch auto bed leveling, guaranteeing consistent prints by automatically adjusting the build plate to achieve optimal leveling. This, combined with a build bed temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, ensures superior adhesion and minimized warping, even with challenging materials. Its impressive print speed of 250 mm per second, coupled with a printing acceleration of 2,500 mm, accelerates your projects to completion without sacrificing precision. With a generous build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, the Ender 3V3SE provides ample space to materialize your creative visions. The 0.4 mm Sprite direct drive extruder delivers reliable filament extrusion, while the extruder temperature reaching up to 260 degrees Celsius expands the range of compatible materials for your projects. Connectivity options including USB flash drive and SD card further enhance convenience, offering flexibility in file transfer and management. Monitoring and controlling prints is made easy with the intuitive 4.3-inch rotary knob monitor, putting control at your fingertips with its user-friendly interface. All these features come at a remarkable price point of $219, making the Creality Ender 3V3SE an exceptional value proposition for those venturing into the world of 3D printing. Number 5. The Flsun Super Racer. Experience the seamless fusion of precision engineering with the Delta-style Flsun Super Racer. Crafted with a stable, all-metal body structure, this printer ensures durability and precision in every print. The dual-gear direct drive extruder guarantees smooth and consistent filament feeding, and its filament runout sensor coupled with resume printing function, ensuring uninterrupted printing sessions. Moreover, the volcano-type extruder, capable of reaching temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius, opens doors to a plethora of filament options, enhancing creativity and versatility. The glass bed, heated to a stable 65 degrees Celsius, provides a consistent printing surface for impeccable adhesion, complemented by the CR Touch 27-point auto bed leveling feature for hassle-free setup. The captive 3.5-inch touchscreen simplifies navigation and control, providing an intuitive user experience. Moreover, compatibility with Marlin firmware and leading slicing software like Cura, Repetier Host, and Simplify 3D ensures seamless integration into your workflow. Connectivity options abound with Wi-Fi, USB flash drive, and Ethernet, providing flexibility in how you transfer your designs to the printer. With a generous build volume of 260 by 260 by 330 millimeters, unleash your imagination and bring your creations to life on a grand scale. Experience lightning-fast print speeds of up to 200 millimeters per second, supported by printing acceleration ranging from 2,800 to 6,000 millimeters, for efficient production without compromising quality. The Delta-style design adds a touch of elegance to any workspace while delivering exceptional performance. At an affordable price point of $299, the Flsun Super Racer 3D printer offers unbeatable value, making it an ideal choice for entry-level buyers seeking a reliable, feature-rich 3D printing solution. Number 4. The Creality Ender 3V3KE. The Ender 3V3KE is a compelling choice for entry-level 3D printing enthusiasts, priced at $299. It boasts a respectable build volume of 220 by 220 by 240 millimeters, providing ample space for printing a variety of projects. Its impressive print speed of 500 millimeters per second and printing acceleration of 8,000 millimeters ensures efficient and rapid printing without compromising on quality. Its extruder temperature capability of up to 300 degrees Celsius and the 0.4 mm copper titanium alloy's direct drive extruder ensures reliable and precise filament extrusion. Bed leveling is effortless with PI flexible build plate and CR Touch auto bed leveling system. The 4.3-inch touchscreen allows user to navigate and control the printer settings, while Wi-Fi and USB support flexible connectivity. Additionally, features such as filament runout sensor and power loss recovery further enhance the overall user experience. The inclusion of Clipper firmware and compatibility with Cura and Simplify 3D slicer software further adds to the printer's appeal, providing users with advanced customization options and seamless integration. The Creality Ender 3V3KE represents excellent value for money, offering an impressive array of features. For entry-level buyers looking to delve into the world of 3D printing, this printer is certainly worth considering. Number 3. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro emerges as a promising contender in the realm of entry-level 3D printers, offering a blend of affordability, performance, and user-friendly features. Let's start with the printing bed. With the PI flexible magnetic plate, bed leveling is a breeze, offering 36-point automatic calibration for hassle-free setup. Combined with a maximum bed temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, it ensures optimal adhesion and prevents warping. With a generous build volume of 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters, the Neptune 3 Pro provides good size for creative ventures without sacrificing print quality. And operating at speeds of up to 180 millimeters per second, it efficiently brings designs to life while maintaining precision and accuracy. One standout feature is its versatile dual-drive extruder, crafted from TC4 titanium alloy, capable of reaching temperatures up to 260 degrees Celsius. This enables users to experiment with a variety of filaments, expanding their creative horizons. Compatibility with popular slicers like Orca, Cura, and Goo further enhances flexibility, catering to individual preferences and workflows. Additionally, features such as all-metal construction, filament runout sensor, and quiet printing add value to the overall package. The user experience is streamlined with a 4.3-inch detachable touchscreen interface, providing intuitive navigation and control. Coupled with Clipper firmware, the printer operates smoothly and reliably, delivering consistent results. At a price point of $199, the Neptune 3 Pro presents exceptional value for money, making it an enticing option for beginners looking to venture into 3D printing without breaking the bank. Number 2. The Ankermake M5C. The Ankermake M5C offers an enticing blend of affordability and robust features for beginners in the 3D printing realm. The build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters provides ample workspace for creative endeavors. With the extruder temperature reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius, the M5C supports a variety of filaments, including carbon fiber and nylon. With a print speed of up to 500 millimeters per second and printing acceleration of 5,000 millimeters, expect efficient prints without compromising quality. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, USB, and Bluetooth. The all-metal construction ensures durability and stability during operation. Powered by Clipper firmware and compatible with popular slicers like Orca, Prusa, and Cura, the M5C streamlines your printing workflow. Hassle-free bed leveling is facilitated by the PI flexible magnetic plate and 49-point automatic calibration. The inclusion of a filament runout sensor adds a layer of convenience. Priced at $299, the Ankermake M5C offers a balanced mix of affordability and performance for entry-level users. Number 1. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. If you're venturing into the world of 3D printing and seeking an affordable yet feature-packed entry point, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro might just be the ticket. This printer offers a solid foundation for beginners to dive into the exciting realm of additive creation. Firstly, the bed leveling. Bed leveling is a breeze with the magnetic flexible bed, featuring 121-point automatic calibration, ensuring optimal adhesion and print quality. Speed and acceleration are other vital factors in any 3D printing endeavor, and the Neptune 4 Pro doesn't disappoint. With a print speed of up to 500 millimeters per second and printing acceleration of 20,000 millimeters, you can expect swift and precise prints without compromising time and quality. With a dual-gear direct drive extruder temperature reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius and compatibility with various materials, including carbon and glass fiber, you have the freedom to experiment and explore a wide range of projects. About the build volume. With dimensions of 225 by 225 by 265 millimeters, you have good size to bring your creative visions to life without feeling confined. Whether you're crafting small trinkets or larger functional prototypes, this printer can accommodate your needs. The detachable 4.3-inch touchscreen interface provides intuitive control, enhancing user experience. Under the hood, the Neptune 4 Pro boasts an all-metal construction, promising durability and stability during operation. The inclusion of resume printing functionality adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to pick up where you left off in case of interruptions. With the support of popular 3D modeling slicers software like Orca, Cura, and Prusa, powered by Clipper, you have access to robust software tools to streamline your printing workflow. At a price point of $285, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro offers an enticing blend of affordability, performance, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for entry-level enthusiasts eager to embark on their 3D printing journey. Those were the top 7 entry-level 3D printers. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy printing!